Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about Arweave and its token AR. This is a crypto which has recently been in the top 100 cryptos by market cap, and so I thought it would be a good idea to cover this because I hadn't covered this on my channel before. And this crypto, like all cryptos, I would do three forecasts going from August till January 2024 using AI technique, ARIMA technique, and statistical measures such as z-score, standard deviation, etc. The three scenarios are the base case, the bear case, and the bull case for RV during this time period at a monthly average price level. And for this particular forecast, I use price action since the token was launched in May of 2020, and the color code that the chart that is visible on your screen is color coded using from dark green to dark red using the measure z-score, which is a comparative analysis of price for a particular month and its distance from the average price for the entire time series in terms of standard deviation. So for example, when the price in September 2020 was $4.31, as you see on the tooltip, and the last value that you see on this tooltip is negative 0.87. That means at that price, at $4.31, with respect to the entire time series, the price was 0.87 standard deviation down from the average. So similarly, and as the price increases, you can see for example, in April 2021, the price was $27 and the z-score was positive 47. That is almost half a standard deviation away from the average to the positive side. And during its peak, that in month of November 2021, the price was $66, and that corresponded to a z-score of 2.77. That is 2.77 standard deviation from the mean was the top for this particular asset. And ever since that, in November of 2021, as most of the cryptos, you could see the z-score go from dark red to sort of yellow in during April 2022, and start entered the green territory since ever since actually June. And exactly, if we could see that in September 2022, the z-score has since that point, the price was about less than $10 and the z-score was negative 0.4. And we have for a short time, especially in February 2023, moved out of negative 0.50 territory, but we have since seen that it has sharply formed newer lows, that is in June July time period. And the prices right now, if you see coin market cap, coin gecko, or trading view, at a daily level the price is in the lower $4.50, that type of territory. And all of this price action has been fed to the AI model that I created, and these are the following are the forecast based on that AI model. Before we go to that, I just wanted to let you know that this is not financial advice, and this is use of historical data, statistics, and data science, such as AI and machine learning techniques to forecast output related to future price action. So for the month of August, this AI model had forecasted an average price of $4.29, which is kind of in line with the current price of $4.50. The cutoff date for this particular model was July 31st. And for September, this model has forecasted, this is the base case scenario. The forecast for the base case scenario for September is $4.22, and about you could say that this is $1.50 lower than what July was closing in at. And you can also corroborate this story by the recent crash in the crypto market, the crash that started during the middle of the August, and this particular crypto is set to hover around $4.51 at the monthly average in October. For November, this model has forecasted another crash, kind of similar to what it did from September, October, November period of 2022. You could see a similar trajectory is being forecasted by this model in just 1 month prior. Instead of September, it is August over here, and instead of November, it is October. And then a similar price action in December, like a crash from $10 to $8, $10.55 to $8. This is similar price action is being forecasted by this model in November of 2023 with a price of around $3.42. This is the base case scenario. In December, this model forecast a similar rally that we saw in January 2023 around $3.74 at a monthly average, and for January 2024 the price action forecasted at a monthly average level of $4.40. So the trajectory is first of all the crash that we have already seen and that from that crash we go sideways till October, then crash further about $1.10, and in terms of percentage it would be little less than 30%, and then rally back to the price that we see in August, in January. So this is the base case scenario. The bull case scenario, and this scenario is backed by an assumption that the market stays bullish, the macro environment favors risk assets, and there is no further negative news related to AR or Arweave token. And in that case, this is the theoretical ceiling based on the recent price action. This would be the permissible upside per the AI model. Again, not financial advice. For August, the monthly price action to average would be at a theoretical ceiling level would be $5.88. For September, $6.24. So if at any point we see a price action peaking above $6.25, that would be a good theoretical ceiling, at least at a monthly average level. That doesn't mean that it cannot go at a daily level above this particular price, but the averages certainly would have a very hard time crossing these levels, at least in this phase of the market per the AI model. For October, the theoretical ceiling is at $8.57, and this can also be construed as what can the crypto do at a daily level if it has a certain rallies where it could have a resistance. So for November, this theoretical ceiling, the bull case scenario is at $9.09. For December, it's at $8.37, and for January is $7.68. So the trajectory per the bull case scenario is hold this kind of rally from what we see in late June till September, and then a major rally in October, November, and then December, January. At that time we fade the rally, but this is the bull case scenario. Again, as I mentioned earlier, it requires significant boost from the macro side or crypto specific positive news. So the last case is the bear case, and this as I said, in the bull case scenario it requires a boost to the upside. This particular scenario requires a boost to the downside or a negative impact, that is 2 standard deviation away from what was forecasted in the base case scenario. Per this model, if we encounter a recession or a major downturn in crypto, these would be the forecasted monthly average price for the Arweave token. At a month of August, it is $3.50, which right now is not looking likely, because we are almost 2/3 done with August. And for September, this particular bear case scenario is at $3.20. This is a theoretical floor for these cryptos in case of a bearish market. In August, in October, in an extremely bearish environment, this token is said to have a monthly average price of $2.43, which is kind of the lows that close to the lows that it reached during December of 2020. So not quite surprising, considering this particular asset was tracking these prices before the bull market really began. So in the month of November, though, this model has forecasted an extremely low valuation of only 52 cents. And if this pans out in an extreme bear or a recession event, like 3 to 4 months after a recession is declared, if it is declared, this is said to be the low price or the lowest price that this particular AI model has forecasted. and this price would at a 52 cents in that particular month would correspond to the all-time low of this of Arweave token, because the prior all-time low at a monthly average level was at 71 cents, and that was when May of 2020, when the token was first launched. And this would correspond to more than one standard deviation lower price considering the entire time series. For December though, this price action, the theoretical floor forecasted by AI is at $1.40, and for January it's $2.72. So in case of an extreme bearish environment, this AI model has forecasted kind of like a V-shaped price action, a sharp decline met by a sharp incline in the price action to about the same or similar levels at a monthly average price. So I would like to summarize what I said before. The base case scenario is have rally till October, crash in November, and to about lows at around $3.50, and then rally back in December, January. The bull case is rally a bit till September and major rally in October, November time period, and then fading in December, January. The bear case scenario is a slightly less steep decline till October, major decline in November, rally back in December, January. These are all the forecasts pertaining to the AR token that I have. In my videos, I try to cover all the three scenarios, what the token could do in a neutral or a sideways market, in a bull market and a bear market. So I hope you like this type of analysis using AI and historical data and statistical technique. If you do, please give us a subscribe and like our channel, as well as check out the other altcoins covered on this channel. I have tried to cover most of the top 100 cryptos out there, at least by market cap, and if they have a consistent price action of more than 30 months, that's the metric that I have used. And if they have some volatility, I have not covered stable coins on my channel because they don't offer any volatility, barring any major unfortunate events. So there is no point forecasting their price action because they tend to stay flat. Apart from that, I tried to cover Bitcoin and Ethereum mostly on this channel, and also the top 100 cryptos. So do peruse through those videos. They are created at a monthly level, so most of them have a cutoff date till December 2023. And if you want to find them, you can find them on the altcoin playlist create on my channel. So I hope to see you again soon. I keep making this video on a daily basis, so stay tuned for further updates on the channel. Thank you and have a nice time. Bye bye.